NTUKU Abungwa kuma NCHERA EKURU MERU ni Gukunguira NTUKU WENDO na njire mwanyara piezo mitugo na chomba correctional services SALOME BEACCO edirite baliungaira na kukenanira nabo yani ninkuruki SALOME edirite kinenka akirugura ke MURANDI wa BIASHARA kende kumbidia kinyanchere kudire kurungamaira iriyoyongwa Mwandiki munene Gukunguira NCHERA NARUGURITIE bakery na nto gutumira arakwa kindene ya NCHERA ya mutindwa MURANDI ora kwerigirwa ukiria bukada na kuguna Abungwa banchereu akiaria pia SALOME BEACCO na kadhita kampuni ya Chandaria iraithirite nende tethera kya bukada kirwa kibo MURANDI irayotumirite nkurukia milioni 12.
On behalf of the State Department for Correctional Services and on my own behalf, I wish to extend my utmost gratitude to Dr. Manu Chandaria and the Chandaria Foundation for the financial support that has made this facility become a reality. This plugs to the third key priority area of modernization of prison industries that is very close to my heart. And as you have all heard, the workshop project has been constructed to a tune of 12 million shillings of course with the general support of the Chandaria Foundation.
BEACCO na kongela na kwa MURANDI yu ni yua ikigena kia utumira kia kwambiria ngui na chomba sin capital irani ya mungana yu milioni mwe gatanta yili.
The workshop, which is the second after the expansion of the Chandaria Langata Women Prison Workshop, is designed to house a bakery and a clothing section. I am gratified to note that the workshop has been equipped with commercial equipment and the female inmates provided with raw materials plus a seed capital of Kenya shillings 1,203,000 to kickstart production.
Nongele tena kwa moroto ya thirikari ni utigira kinyani ukumbithia transgender rule kombanindi kuingika untauge thirikari ya Rais Ruto nirutaniritie kenda kuingia watho bo.
The Constitution of Kenya guarantees gender equality and women empowerment, and today Kenya is on track in the implementation of the Beijing Platform of Action. Gender equality is at the center of Kenya's national development and enjoys political commitment at the highest level from His Excellency, the Honorable William Samoei Ruto, the President of the Republic of Kenya and Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defence Forces.
Na witana mbere na utaririo guni burabukethira bukiana kiana MURANDI yo akiuga yugatetheria kinyanto na umenyo na mauritani ya ngwe mwanya muno kiria kurunguira bakomba kwithira kinyapa ichitethakia chiorera bakauma NCHERA.
The idea that this workshop will be run as a social enterprise with proceeds aimed at assisting the women inmates for skills development and to reintegrate back into society is a testament that the initiative aligns with the government's effort to empower women.
Nawe Antonia Brigadier John Warioba uranwe commissioner wa NCHERA ndigurune awita MURANDI yoke na ugunebu kadha na nkuruki ekurunkurukia maana yele baraba NCHERA bakomba kugunika na njira mwanya chegie MURANDI yo.
This project in MERU Women Prison that commenced in August 2023 is not just about impacting skills in baking or sewing. It is similarly about nurturing hope, cultivating self-worth, and building a social foundation for successful integration into society. I believe that around 200 women inmates held in this facility will benefit immensely from this program.
Ugambithania Justice Edward Moreithi ura kwithirite kinyawe kinyakire mambura ya awite bota koti nibaritaniritie kenda kona burandi nje ichumbi kya kwithira chiku yakwa kenda kinyakuni ya mpinyano ndene ya NCHERA.
I want to make an announcement that the court, having considered in the presence and no objection of counsel for the DPP, I hope DPP are here, DPP Mr. Omoria. Yes, DPP is here with your assistant, Mr. Masila. We looked through the files pending for Friday for revision, and we were able to come to an order that we revise the sentences in various cases, and being satisfied of the merit in those applications, We have taken into account the length of imprisonment served already by those applicants in the respective applications, and the court therefore exercised its power of revision under section 364 and 354 of the CPC, and we made an order that those sentences would be reduced to the time already served.
County Commissioner wa MERU Jacob Abungwa awite boya rwanyiro karia ne baritoniretie gutiera ne bakwithira bakilike kya ukaria ndene ya MERU no tira ninde wagagia ne bukwithira bukinia na kinya kuthira buru
kuhakikishia ya kwamba tuko shwari nikiwa pamoja na kikundi changu cha security, kamati ya usalama. Mambo yako shwari na yatakuwa shwari zaidi. Hata kwengineko kwenye sokomoko na soko bingo tumepiga darubini, tumevalia maswalale njuga. Tutapambana kiume kuhakikisha ya kwamba hadhi yetu kama Meru County inadumishwa.